Are you struggling to level up in your sales? Are you struggling to actually be the best salesperson on your sales team? Do you have a desire to grow? Then this is the perfect video for you. Hi, my name is Claude with Sales Development Israel. I've been teaching sales and the art of persuasion and influence for the last 15 years. And it's a pleasure to have all of you with us today to learn a little bit about something that is very, very important to all of you, and that is on how to level up in your sales process. One specific element on how to level up in your sales process is going to be the ability to understand that you can learn too much. Yes, I said it. You can learn too much. Because there's phases for learning and there's phases for action. The best way to grow your sales process is to learn in sporadic paces. Don't learn all the time. Focus on learning sometimes. When I mean that, I'm talking about examining your sales process, who your competitors are, and examining and learning and growing and all that stuff, which I'm a big fan of. But there's a time for that. And on the other side there's a time for taking action. You've got to learn by reading your books. You've got to learn by watching your videos. You've got to learn by studying. But then you've got to take action by just grabbing your heart, grabbing all of your courage, and going forward. It doesn't matter which type of videos you watch, what you learn, what your favorite topic to learn is, but there's a time for learning and there's a time for action. So how long should your learning cycle be? If you're watching this video, you're the type of person who wants to self-improve every single day, and congratulations for you. But the problem is, I need all of you to start taking action as well. So I don't want you watching any sort of learning growth materials after this video is done for the next 3 days, because this is about taking action as a salesperson. Precise, exact, specific steps, and I want you guys to be able to level up and take more action. My name is Claude Massey with Sales Development Israel, and you guys have a terrific afternoon. Thank you so much for watching the video, everybody. I'm super excited. I want to share some great news with you. I just finished writing a book with a partner of mine, Laura, and it's called Sell, I Dare You. We want to give you a completely free copy of the book. It's about how to increase your sales, of course. All you have to do is go over to the website. You'll be able to also get over there your completely free access into the sales archives, where we have plenty of PDFs for everybody to increase their sales skills. So thank you so much for watching the video. Take care.